Here's an example of what you can come to expect in your $50 craft along kits. Now it'll be different every month, like different colors, different shapes, different wire thicknesses, all that different, but your kit should have something similar to this within it. So you will have a limited print edition thank you card with a handwritten note customized to you. Um, at least two of our laser wood components for jewelry making. And again, those designs vary month to month as well. Uh, at least two, sometimes three, or I don't know, we'll see. But again, at least two spools of wire in gauges ranging from 28 to 16 gauge, and we'll usually give you one thicker and one thinner wire. That way you can practice up some wire weaving and make follow along with basically all of our tutorials. Now, we feel like the real value of our kits is in our cabochons that can be purchased individually on our website, but we try to give you a really great deal in the craft along kits, as well as we cover the shipping to you. And that's something that with this kit tier, or rather membership level, we do ship it internationally. So these guys here on our website, you could expect to pay anywhere from $4 to $6 for any of these cabochons. These guys here, you could expect to pay 6 to 8 per cab. For our dichroic pieces, depending for something close to this size, you could be paying anywhere from $8 to $12 per cabochon. And then for some of our larger pieces, like this one here, they can range anywhere from like $20 to $25 or even up, depending on how much dichro, or it just, there's a lot of stuff that goes into this sometimes, which we do have videos on so that you can get a better idea of what we're putting into these cabochons as well. And that way, because like ones like this one, we actually bake like 3 times in our kiln to try to get some of those different cool layers and stuff. And I'm really excited to be learning more and more about glass fusing and things like that. And then sharing the results of what we make with you guys.